In this session, we're going to solve another example of the completing the square technique. As here he told me that use completing the square to find the center and radius of x squared plus 6 x plus y squared plus 12y equals negative 36. Find the top, bottom, left and right must point to graph it, okay? So here he is so clear to tell me that please solve by completing the square, as he gives me here the general equation and he wants from me to transform this general equation to the standard form equation to can get easily the center and the radius. So first of all, I will group my general equation in easy way. So I will write the x terms alone, then leave a space, then write the y terms alone, then leave a space and send any number to the other side of equals. And here is clear, it's already there. So x squared minus 6x plus, leave a space, plus y squared plus 12y plus, leave another space, equals negative 36. So I wanted to get these spaces to can complete the square, right? Okay. We agree that to complete the square, I should look at the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, right? We'll start with x. The coefficient of x here is 6. So half 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Again, I will look at the coefficient of x, which is 6. Half 6 all squared. Repeat after me. Half 6 all squared. So it will be 9. Once you add 9 here, you should add 9 the other side, right? Okay, what about y? The coefficient of y is here 12. Then half 12 all squared. Half 12 is 6, squared is 36. So I will add here 36, and you should add 36 the other side to keep the equation same, right? Let's see it together. The step of 9. I will add here 9 and 9 the other side. 9 is getting from where? Yeah, from half 6 all squared, okay? And this about 36. Okay. X minus 3 all squared plus y plus 6 all squared equals 9. From where I get this? Okay, here we complete the squares, right? Then I will get the part of x and make a bracket square. To make this bracket square, I will take the square root of x squared. It will be x. Yes. And the square root of 9, it will be 3. With the middle sign negative. Plus the part of y. I will take the square root of y squared equals y. And the square root of 36 equals 6 with the middle sign 2. So it will be y plus 6 all squared equals, combine the numbers there, negative 36 plus 9 plus 36, it will be equals 9. From here, you can get the center and the radius, yes. How I can get this? The center here is, I will remember the center is h and k. Okay, I will remember the standard form, x minus h. So here x minus 3, so h will be 3. Okay, what about k? Here y minus k. But here y positive k. That's mean it will be two negatives to be positive, right? So it will be y minus 6. So k is negative 6, right? In the center is, this is the center, 3 and negative 6. What about the radius? Radius is which? A squared equals 9, yes, 3. So the radius is equals 3. So to can graph the circle, I will start with the center, h and k, 3 and -6. Plot this point on the coordinate plane. Then from the center, move up and down, right and left with the radius 3 units. Then plot all the points up and down, right and left. Then graph it, make the circle here. And that's all. So here overall the things we can do with circles is graph them. Once I give you the circle and the center of the circle and the radius, you can graph it, right? You will start with the center, then move up and down, right and left with the radius. Okay, second thing, write their equation in standard form. And you can write the equation from the standard form once you get the h and k, the center, and the radius. So you will write y minus h, you will substitute with h and write the value of h. And substitute with k and write the value of k as the radius. Substitute with the value of radius to get the standard form. Okay, and number 3, get them into standard form if he gives me the general form and he asks me to get the standard, you will complete the square. You will use the strategy of how to complete the square. And that's all. Here we are 2 examples to evaluate yourself. I want you to solve it. And here is the answers of the 2 questions. And thank you.